Let's explore some of Baha'u'llah's teachings on unity. Unity is all about togetherness and friendship. It's about enjoying going to school and learning new things, and enjoying being the wonderful, unique person you are. Unity is about helping your classmates and helping your school to be a great place for everyone. Baha'u'lláh encourages us to be like the fruits of one tree, the leaves of one branch, and the flowers of one garden. Baha'u'lláh taught that men and women are equal. He said, "The earth is but one country and mankind its citizens." He wants us to think of everyone in the world as one human family. Baha'u'lláh taught that the followers of every religion should be friends. And that the same light of God shines through all religions. Here's a little song about this.
Oh, the light, it is one. Oh, the light, it is one. All the candles are different, but the light, it is one. Oh, the light, it is one. Oh, the light, it is one. All the candles are different, but the light, it is one.